Hey ChatGPT, should euthanasia be legalized? The question of whether euthanasia should be legalized is a complex and controversial topic with ethical, moral, and legal dimensions. Different societies and countries hold varying perspectives on this issue. I can present you with some arguments often put forth by both sides of the debate. Arguments in favor of legalizing euthanasia. 1. Individual autonomy. Advocates argue that individuals should have the right to make decisions about their own lives, including the choice to end their suffering through euthanasia if they are terminally ill or experiencing unbearable pain. 2. Relief of suffering. Legalizing euthanasia can provide a compassionate option for people who are enduring extreme physical or psychological pain and have no hope of recovery. It can be seen as a way to alleviate their suffering and maintain dignity at the end of life. 3. Consistency with medical ethics. Euthanasia can be viewed as an extension of the principle of beneficence, where physicians prioritize the well-being and quality of life of their patients. In cases where patients have no prospect of improvement and their suffering cannot be adequately managed, euthanasia may be seen as a compassionate choice. Arguments against legalizing euthanasia. 1. Sanctity of life. Opponents argue that life is inherently valuable and should not be intentionally ended, even in cases of extreme suffering. They believe that legalizing euthanasia undermines the intrinsic worth of human life and opens the door to potential abuses. 2. Slippery slope. Some individuals express concerns that legalizing euthanasia could lead to a slippery slope, where the criteria for eligibility may expand over time. There are concerns that vulnerable populations, such as the elderly or disabled, could be at risk of involuntary euthanasia if safeguards are not robust enough. 3. Palliative care alternatives. Critics suggest that improving access to high-quality palliative care, which focuses on pain management and improving the quality of life for terminally ill patients, should be the priority. They argue that adequate resources and support for palliative care can address many of the concerns that drive the euthanasia debate. It's important to note that perspectives on euthanasia vary across cultures, legal systems, and individual beliefs. Governments and societies grapple with these arguments when considering whether to legalize euthanasia, and the decision ultimately depends on a complex interplay of moral, legal, and societal considerations. Subscribe for more videos like this.